Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Putri, kelas MN22G, University Nusa Putra. Analysis of influence of resource management people on the work environment and improve performance. Abstract. Employees are an important resource for the organization because they have the talent, energy, and creativity that is needed by the organization to achieve its goal. That's why it is necessary to have quality human resource and the high loyalty. In order to enhance company productivity, human resource is a of the important competitive factor for companies because human resource are the executor of every activity in the company. The success of an organization or company is raising its vision and goal is greatly influenced by the effective and quality of the human resource we are enhanced through training and development. The purpose of this research in the ascertain the impact on the foundation of training and development simultaneously on the business success, work, discipline, over performance. Work environment influence performance. Work culture has a positive effect on teaching staff performance and together work discipline, work environment and work culture have a positive effect on teaching staff performance. Introduction. The achievement of success in an institution is truly influenced by its human resource, namely employees who are able to carry out their duties and responsibilities both in terms of quality and quantity. Difference in character and role are very important, so an institution must always manage in production factor effectively and efficiently in order to be able to create excellence through the human resource himself in creating good or service. Therefore, effort are an important comfort as the driving force in all active in the staffing function. Human resources are one of the highlights in the information of employed regarding discipline and performance. In this case, it is necessary to support the renters to avoid poverty. As for the figure of employees who are expert in art effort to stronger to achieve the goal of an institution can have conflict full of reality and agree on the institution property figured affection effective based full aware of their responsible as element of bodyguard in a service to the institution. For Fortman, management is a strategic and interesting approach to achieving sustainable success in an organization and improving the performance of its employees to by developing the capabilities of the team and individual contributor. Performance management as related to the effort to creating a shared vision of the goal and the objective of the organization, helping employees understand and recognize their part in the contributing and in doing so manage and improve both individual and organization performance. Employees are an employed are an important resource for the organization because they have the talent, energy, and creativity that is needed by the organization to achieve its goal. This can be realized with the existence of employees education and training program. The education and training process in the company effort to improve the skill and effective of the workforce, so it need to the plan property. In general, companies see the importance to improve education and training, namely to balance to development to the company itself or respond to technological challenge in a business world. Companies and getting safer, companies need to manage their training program so that companies can survive or even development. Another factor that can be considered in the increasing employees job satisfaction in employees improvement. Hasibuan 2014-9 stand that one of the things that must be considered in a company so that is able to run according to the goal expected by management all effort because by managing effort property effort will feel station and work on the company will be able to make things. This feedback is very fluid in raising company goal. Factor causing unfulfilled job station include fair and proper remuneration, promotion in accordance with expertise, safety of work, work stress, work environment, equipment that support the improvement of work, the attitude of leader in forwarding envelope and the monitor nature of the work or not. Research methods. The research form used is associative method with the quantitative effort. This research is a study that aims to determine the relationship between two or more variables. This study aims to determine the relationship between the two variables, namely the in individual variable human resource development and work environment on the dependent variable effort performance. Uh, the type of research used in this research is associative research. Associative then aim to determine the influence or relation between two or more variable. Sugiono 2012 11 11 2. Therefore, this study want to examine the influence on the relation of the work environment on performance. Result and discussion. Result. What environment? According to Terry, the work environment can be interpreted as the forces that influence either discernibly or indiscernibly organizational performance. First, hormone. According to Budiono, that the work environment refer to institute or forces that are inside or outside the organization and potentially affect the organization. According to GAM, the work environment is a work process in which the environment interact with other according to this foreign and each has certain characteristics of view regarding the organization that cannot be separated from the environment in which the organization is located and is human who are the center of overthink. According to Swasha and Sukaja, the work environment can be interpreted as a wall of the factor in it that affect both the organization and the activity. Will the meaning of the work environment broadly include all external factors that affect individual companies and security. Meanwhile, Niti Semito argues that the work environment is everything that is around to working so that later I can influence carrying out the task, excitement, understand the influence will restore optimal performance if there are comfortable work. The work environment around a flat need to be considered to that is a has better in fact to improvement performance of human resource development. Everyone will feel broad working in the same place. The will always affect change the growth rate that from time to time he will receive greater recognition from the company or organization in which he works. Furthermore, Sedarianti suggests relate to the scope of the development as follow in type of the inflammation period. Training is part in the development task which can be divided into three, namely 1. Free service training, free achievement training. Name training give to prospective employees who will work or new employees were armed debriefing so they can carry out the task achievement to improve later. 3. Interface training on duty training is intake training carried out for employees who are on duty in the organization with the aim of encouraging their ability to do their job. 3. For service training, key factor affecting the work environment. Human will be able to carry out her active properties so that optimal results are active in support by provide what environment, the environmental situation inside to be good or effective if humans can carry out their active optimally, highly safe and the comfortable incompatibility of the work environment can be seen as a result in the long term Victor more unviable work system design. Many factors influence the formation of a work environment. The following are several factors described by Sedarmayanti which can influence formation of a working environment. Conditions associated with employee ability include 1. Lighting or like in the workplace, like or lighting is very beneficial for employees to get safety and softness is work. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to the lighting that is bright but not dazzling, to temperature or eye temperature in the workplace. Under normal circumstances, every member of the human body always tries to maintain a normal state with a perfect body system so that it can adapt to change that occur outside the body, but the ability to adapt has limitation, namely that the human body can still adapt to an outside body temperature of no more than 4 hot condition and for cold condition for the body normal stand humidity in the workforce. Humidity is the amount of the water contained in the air, usually expressed and the for contact. This humidity is related to or influenced by air temperature together with humidity moving air with and heat radiation for the air will affect the stand of the human body when receiving or had from the body. A situation with very hot air temperature and high humidity will cause a reduction in body heat underlies called to the evaporation system. Another influence is the father heart rate to the more active blood circulation to meet oxygen need, and the human body is always trying to set a balance between body heat and its surroundings. 3. Nose at work. One of the purposes that profit expect in dealing in the night with is sound that is unwanted by the air, because especially in the long term this sound can disrupt work speech, them hearing and cause combination of both, even according to research. Serious noise can use this because what reduce condition so will addictive so the work can be carried out efficiently so that work productive increase. 4. Vibration magical of work. Magnesium fibrin means fibrin general by medical device. Some the cheese fibrin reach the employed body and use anti-consequence. Medical fibrils are generally feel discovering disturbance to and divide in the body is when the frequency resulted medical in general medical fibrin can disrupt the body in terms of 1. Concentration at work. 2. And fatigue. 3. The emergency of several diseases, including due to disorder of the eyes, nervous, blood circulation, nurture, bone, and other. 5. Bad seal in the workplace. The presence of odor around the surface can be considered as pollution because it can interfere with concentration at work, and odor that occur continuation and active oversensitivity. Using the bright air conditioner is a way that can be used to get rid of disturbing odor around the workplace. 6. Safety at work. According to Maslow's theory of motivation, humans need to feel secure. A self-work and development will make employers feel comfortable and not afraid of the room. These intruders also understand organization can use security personnel or security caution, maintain workplace security, and install CCTV in every important corner of the workforce. The employee performance indicator furthermore, according to Robin, indicator for measuring individual employee performance can be assessed from 1. Quality. Quality of work is measured by employed perfection of the quality of work product on the perfection of take on the skill and abilities of employed. 2. Quantity. It is the amount product and is expressed in terms size as the member of the member of activity I less complete. 3. Factuality. In the level of actuality complete at the start of the stand time seen for the find the coordination with output, result, and missing the time available for other activities. 4. Effective. In the level of use of organization resource, energy, money, technology, and raw material in maximized with the intention of interesting the result of I unique in the use of research. Seek independent is a level where a flow hard work commit met with attribute of view responsible toward her work. The question 1. The effect of human resource development on employer performance. Based on this description that employer development is for the long term benefit and is the most important part in an organization. Human resource development is also a conditional that indication in character someone status in an organization in a predetermined career path in the organization connect with the development and growth of organization requires available of reliable human resource effort the promise this result can be obtained through improving the quality human resource. Quality human resource according the organization need can be obtained through career planning, career development program, career training, and career development are factors the engross the active of the best improve performance so as to ensure productivity in the organization compatibility with improving plus development adaptation to the work environment, aligning one abilities with technological career development so that employees have better performance in carrying of their duties. Career planning, training, and career development program can improve the skill, know, and experience on for toward their job. Explore who have content in the Harvard will get the opportunity to follow to stand to the career path and will choose a good career path in an effort to develop human resource and must always focus on their resource and ability on the goal ability. According the project, there is an activity that must be carried out by organizations so that their abilities and skill are according with the promise on the what I do. To the influence of the world environment on the performance. If performance gaps are grown from within the employee from a slave strength and in the work and environment situation support is performance achievement will be assure a good employment attitude toward other. Applause has a very good influence in the comfort environment. The work environment greatly affect the comfort that will be felt by all involved. Will in the work environment a good attitude between a plus create a comfortable atmosphere between a few so that teamwork will increase. Teamwork include a series of strategic active carried out by all employees to achieve company goals with good cooperation between employees in the completing work within company, especially a good attitude between employees. A good attitude toward other plus in the career provide come from in the work environment. If influence are comfortable in the work environment, the timeline of employees in completing what will be good will later for company performance and the active of company goal. This is line with Insimito's statement that one of the efforts to improve every performance is pay attention to the work environment achievement with the base of responsible give by the company and employees must carry out this responsible in according with existing roster the way the performance of the company will increase and improve. Well mean according to rival give the sun the what refer the active in the rules or life a success a person a world during person carrying out the control on the areas term yes. Conclusion. Based on the description above, it can be concluded the human resource development has a major influence of improved performance in an organization. Career planning, training, and career development program can improve the quality of human resource, thus encouraging the development of the best improve performance and increasing organizational productivity. In addition, a good work environment can also affect a flu performance. A good attitude among a few a comfortable work environment can improve teamwork and timeline in completely tasks, thus affecting company performance in activating company goals. Therefore, companies need pay attention to the development of human resource and work environment to improve a few performance and company productivity. Bibliography Thank you.